First of all, even if you don't think you need to go outside, sometimes it's a good exercise just to look. So this doesn't necessarily mean that there's no good internal candidates if you decide to go canvass the marketplace. The first things that companies do would be to determine, again, identify your point person. Usually there's a committee, a search committee that's put in place. And by the way, if there is a search committee, oftentimes there will be additional compensation paid to that committee because you do end up meeting more frequently. You end up having to interview candidates. It can take, quite a long time in some cases. So just be aware of that one particular point. So it's important to have folks that are involved to make sure that you understand what your pay philosophy is. It's important to try to adhere to your current pay philosophy. If you're trying to target around median pay for your senior team, usually it's important to be consistent with that. Now, there are certainly unique circumstances that may require you going above and beyond that. If you have, the candidate that's been identified, if that person may be already a sitting CEO, which makes it quite difficult to attract someone to a different company. So there are circumstances where you have to go above and beyond. But to the extent you can find someone in the marketplace that is getting that, promotional opportunity, those often can be great candidates to include in your pool. So making sure you understand as an organization what you're willing to pay. It's usually important to think about what the current CEO is making. Are you going to bring someone in that's, kind of right around that same point? Again, if it's a promotional opportunity, you may be able to bring someone in a little south of market and bring them up over time. But unfortunately, when you're going outside, it tends to be more expensive. So being prepared for that is important.